USMLE Biochemistry Nutrition lecture. In this lecture, we will talk about copper. Copper is represented as Cu+. But where is this absorbed? Copper is usually absorbed from stomach and also the proximal part of small intestine. In order for the copper to be absorbed, it is usually reduced from Cu+ to Cu+. And this Cu+ is transported across CTR1 protein. This protein is essential for the absorption of copper. What are the functions of copper? It is present in cytochrome oxidase. It is present in dopamine beta hydroxylase. It is present in lysyl oxidase, favorite enzyme for USMLE, and superoxide dismutase. If you see superoxide dismutase, it contains zinc, it contains manganese, it contains copper. The mutation of superoxide dismutase enzyme leads to motor neuron disease or neurodegenerative disease. Alright. Now, what is the mechanism? Copper usually has got Cu+ to Cu+2, or this can be converted from Cu+2 to Cu+. The important roles of copper is basically involved in catecholamine synthesis. The catecholamine synthesis is essential as dopamine produces norepinephrine, and this reaction needs copper. Alright. Then next one is the connective tissue formation. This is by the lysyl oxidase, which is important for the cross-linking formation. And where are these cross-linked formed? They are formed in between the collagen and elastin. Whenever there is deficiency of lysyl oxidase, the connective tissue becomes weak. Now, there are two important things we will have to remember for deficiency of copper and increased copper production or increased copper levels. One is called as Menkes disease. What is Menkes disease? In Menkes disease, there is decreased copper, which leads to kinky hair, growth retardation, and neurodegeneration. Whereas increased copper leads to Wilson's disease. Most famous question is young patient presenting with Parkinson-like features. Think of Wilson's disease. Young patient presenting with psychiatric disturbances and liver failure symptoms or elevated liver function tests. Think of Wilson's disease. Patient has got Kaiser-Fleischer rings in the eye. Think of Wilson's disease. Young patient presenting with Parkinson's disease and liver function test abnormalities along with KF rings in the eye. It is Wilson's disease until otherwise proved. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you in the next lecture.